Hey guys, what's going on? Jack Timmer with Dream Hooks Fishing. Today we're on Third Wish out of Grand Haven, Michigan. One of the big questions we seem to get is what kind of downrigger release clips are we using? You have multiple different options, anywhere from the old style rubber bands all the way up to the pinch pads that actually come stock with Canon downriggers. I have used 3 different kinds of release clips in my lifetime, but the ones that seem to work best are going to be your Black's downrigger releases here. These are just a little clip, and I'll show you how to use them. So you take your line from your downrigger, let it out however far behind the ball you want it. You'll then grab the end of the line from the rod tip, put it in the holder. That way it saves room. You don't have your rod on the back deck that people are tripping over. Make any adjustments to your leader length. And then what you'll do is you'll take this finger here, you'll just make a nice great big loop with it. Make sure there's a loop in the line. Now you'll come over to the clip, put that line right in the clip there, clip it in. You'll lower the downrigger, put tension on it, and there you go. Now the nice thing about these Blacks is they're not as sensitive as the Canon pinch pads. The pinch pads I had the problem with is they would always seem to be too loose or too tight. These you can kind of get right in the middle. Now we're fishing in the springtime at the moment, so a lot of times we'll get a bunch of coho coming up and they'll tail slap it, and that will cause a false release. So during this time of the season we're going to tighten it up a little bit. Now the negative to that is they're not going to release all the time when you get a small fish. So a lot of times you'll see that rod bouncing like this. That's a good indicator to start heading towards that rod. Take it out of the holder, wind down, get the slack out, you'll pop it up, there'll be fish on from there. Now if it's a big enough fish, obviously it's just going to release it right from the clip. But there you have it. Those are the Black's downrigger release clips that we use, and 95% of the other guys down here that use them. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, like our video, and if you have any questions, be sure to comment them down below.